Install Ubuntu 20.04 on VirtualBox running on Windows 10. So I have VirtualBox and it is already installed on Windows 10. So to install the Ubuntu 20.04, you need the ISO file of Ubuntu. So visit ubuntu.com/download/desktop, and here you will find the download, and here you will find the link to download Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So at the time of recording this video, the latest version of Ubuntu is 20.04.3 LTS. So click on the download, and download will start. So I already downloaded the ISO file on my computer, so I can skip the download process. So this is the directory where I have saved my Ubuntu 20.04 desktop ISO file. So first of all, we will create a new VirtualBox image. So my Ubuntu 20.04, and it is already selected Linux Ubuntu 64-bit. Next, click next. I will give 2 GB, 4 and 8. Then click next. Leave this VDI image selected. You can also try these options if you have the option to use these. Click next and select the dynamically allocated. So once your storage grows, once the requirement grows, the storage will increase the. So leave this dynamically allocated option. You can also go for fixed sized, but dynamically allocated is good, as the dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up. So click next, and I will go for 50 GB. Then click on create to create the VirtualBox. Next, select this VM and go to the settings. In the system tab, you should be able to increase the CPU, and next thing is to select the ISO file. So select the empty under the ID controller, and here I can browse the. So this is the directory where my files are stored. So here I will go and click on choose disk file and go to this window and select the Ubuntu 20.04.3 desktop AMD 64 ISO. Click open. Now we are ready to install the system. So before this, click on OK. So settings are saved. Now to start the installation, click on start. So this will start the installation. So it is checking the ISO file. So we'll click on the install Ubuntu, then continue, then continue. So it is asking for erase the disk. So basically we have a we need to click install now, continue. So I am in India, so it's Kolkata, India. It's okay. Click continue. So give some name, continue. Now it is copying the files. Now it is creating the users and installing the other packages. So it is about to complete the installation. Now the installation is completed and we can click on restart now. Now enter the password. Click on skip. Next, 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 done. The next thing is to install the guest image. So for this, click here and the installer is now starting. Enter the password and click on authenticate. Now it is installing the additional modules. You can click shared clipboard and then select bidirectional, then drag and drop bidirectional. Now we'll start the machine and power off. It is restart. You can go to the display settings and increase the display settings too. So now we have a bigger window. So this way you can install Ubuntu 20.04 on your VirtualBox. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.